Continue. Sieve number 6. There should be nothing interposing between tefillin and the skin of a person wearing tefillin. Okay. So commentary say, when the Torah says the shel yad should be al yadcho, on your arm, and shelo should be between your eyes, it is understood as mean directly upon the arm and on the head. Mishnah Brura. So meaning that you cannot put, for example, like that's my guess. Somebody maybe he's cold, right? Maybe in the winter, so he wants to put it on top of his shirt. So absolutely not. It's not allowed. Okay. So basically, okay. So that's so before we continue. So in some cases, there is a problem when somebody have like a dressing, like he has a wound or some surgery in the hand. So that would be an issue. So you so in some cases, if he can put in this area, as we said last time, there is a special area. If you have enough room, like a little closer, a little to the top, a little to the side, this side, that side, so it would be allowed. But otherwise, if there is no free space, and everything is bandaged, so I think that we do without bracha. We put it anyway, but no blessing is said. So, but you said blessing on your head filling, and keep in mind this hand filling basically. Continue. Short hair do not constitute interposition, since they are a regular feature of the body. However, those who grow hair long in front of their heads, besides the fact that this is arrogant and haughty practice, this is involved the prohibition of imitating the ways of the nations. There is another prohibition that he encounters when he wears the hair in such a style, due to the mitzvah of putting tefillin. Since the hair is so long, it is considered interposition between the head and tefillin. So let's read commentary, and we're going to explain. There are many things, as we heard, like in one sentence. It's all one sentence, just so you know. Okay, so it says, see appendix of Kitzur editorial glosses. Beside the issue of interposition, one who has excessive amount of hair will have difficult time ensuring that tefillin fasten tightly around the head in the correct position. Mishnah Brura. Okay, so let's understand. Let's go like phrase by phrase in this sentence. So it says short hair do not consider any interposition. So short hair, so that's what Jews supposed to have, right? No arrogance, this long hair, right? However, those who grow the hair long in front of their heads, besides the fact they're arrogant and haughty practice. So basically, all of this, if you have a story of this guy Avshalom. So Avshalom was David's son, King David's son, and he was very proud of his hair. And at the end, this hair of his caused his downfall. So all of these people, like all of the artists, I guess, I don't know, they have a hippies, all of this, they have a long hair. So and they were very proud of this hair. Okay, that's a sign of arrogance. Is involved in prohibition, imitated the ways of the nation. So another issue that we have, that we cannot look like the nations, right? So basically, it's a big issue today. So people try to be like very fashionate. They try to have haircuts like the non-Jews, wear clothes like non-Jews, jeans and some with holes and sneakers. I mean, the Jew have to look different. He has to look presentable, respected, you know.
Right. So I have a question. A lot of Sephardim, they don't dress in suits and stuff like that. So, so what about Sephardim? What's their halacha? Because don't they follow the Shulchan Aruch as well?
Okay, so suit. So not everybody is obligated to wear a suit.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, in as you saw, I'm sure in the yeshivish world, if you don't have jacket, it's like you're naked. It's like you wear under. What do you mean you don't have jacket? You
Mhm.
understand? So, and when we're going to get to that part, that's Shulchan Aruch said. That's respectable person have to wear like the overcoat, like the jacket, especially for praying. Maybe for not for praying, it's more lenient. But so basically for Sephardim, I mean, even on Shabbos they don't dress with jackets.
For holidays and for Shabbos, yes.
Yeah,
But
okay.
halacha is also for all days.
No. But for, they basically um, the halacha is a little lenient. I mean, if somebody like, but it has to be like respectful. You should wear like dress shirt, whatever, proper. You want a collar shirt, but no multicolor, like solid color, whatever, like normal, not this like neon pink or neon green, like that. That's too much. You want a blue, whatever you want. You want a white, even better. So and long sleeve. So
I understand.
short sleeve is not exactly good thing to wear, right?
See,
I mean, they allow you if you're too hot, if you do this, but proper way is a long sleeve. Okay.
because a lot, like where I study, there we have few Sephardic people, and honestly, if they're even wearing like a baseball cap, for example. So and they're going to like they plan on going to kollel and everything. So they're religious. So I'm not sure.
Okay, so I mean that's exactly it. So these baseball hats, it's like influence of the culture of the green.
Hmm.
So like in my mind, like I said, sometimes I look at the person, like if he goes out to the street, he takes the small kippah, he looks exactly like a non-Jew. Exactly. What is the difference? He even more non-Jew looking than the non-Jew. Understand that's not we're sons of HaShem. He's representative. So if somebody wants to wear jeans, it's for non-Jews that's fine for it, but for a Jew it's not. It's not fine. We have to look different. Hashem made us different. He gave us different mission, and we're not. And if they say even the haircuts, right? So if like whatever haircut is now in style, I have no idea about haircut, but let's say whatever is in style for all the people, so Jew cannot do this hairstyle. You understand? So it's so we're talking about this long hair, but it's a general approach, right? So the Jews should be like. Look very respectable.
So
I mean, if you need to work, if the guy is a plumber, right? The guy, the Jewish plumber, and he's like in a basement, he like under this like all these rusted parts. Of course, he's not going to wear a white shirt or jacket. That's understandable, but still, it has to be clean. It has to be respectable.
I understand.
So that's it.
So
But
this,
other people like they can wear. So as Rabbi Reuven says many times, we don't learn halacha what people do unless they're big tzaddikim. We learn halacha from the book. The book is Kitzur Shulchan Aruch. Is somebody you can rely. But all other people
yeah.
they do. Yeah.
So the question is, let's say they have a goyish haircut, okay, but it's not that they want to be like the goy. They just like the haircut. Generally, they just like the hair.
Yeah.
And plus, let's say even more, they live in like a completely Jewish community, everything. So they're not trying to impress the goy. Even they're not trying to do anything. They're not trying to impress. They just like how their haircut looks. So then what? Is that allowed or?
So here he's trying to be different. And I'm taking your example, what I always said. So
Yeah.
he lives in a Jewish community, right? And he tried to look like a goy. So everybody around you will look different, and then you look like it's like it's a challenge to the community.
Got it.
So and so all of the people who wants to look different, they all look the same. It's unbelievable. All of the rebels, right, in like teenage, they want to be so different, but when you put them together, so all of them like it's copies. It's so ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. Yeah, you understand? So
Yeah.
I mean, the more I learn, and the more you're going to learn. So you see, like, we are so special. We don't need any like external things to impress others, so people would turn their head. We are special enough without external factors. You understand? It says why how the world is being suspended, right? How it's suspended. Like if you look from a cosmos, right? There's no like pillars. There are no animals that hold in the world. Right? It is suspended in air, right? In the atmosphere. So they say one explanation. It says it is suspended on a people who are learning Torah, on Jews that learn Torah, and second, on people who do not answer when they've been assaulted.
Good.
So you're the one, because of your Lord, because of our reading that the world is suspended in the air, so all of these people get their nourishment and their life, and then you want to be like them? Mm-hmm. Ridiculous, right? Okay, so continue. So we said this part. So arrogant. Okay, so it's arrogant style, haughty, and involves prohibition of imitating the ways of the nations. So that's what we did. So and but my another point on this would be like so, and some people would go around without kippah. So the problem is, so if he does not want to show that he's Jewish, he has some hidden agenda. What is it? Don't ask me. I don't know. I don't know. He wants to go places that where Jew is not supposed to go. That's the way I see it. He's trying to hide something. Okay, there is another prohibition on wearing such a hairstyle. So we extend it due to Mitzvah putting tefillin. So and another thing, let's say he put all of his hair to the back, right? He come this, so there is no problem. But when he has a lot of hair, it's hard to put tefillin in one place, and it's going to stay. Right, because hair like moving. Okay, those are the issues.